Okay, it's been a while since I've had an unboxing video. And why is that camera thing pointed the wrong way? Hi, Chubbs. Of course, my little buddy down here. What are you doing? You want to come up here? Okay. Get too heavy, dog. Anyway, yeah, first time I've done an unboxing video because I haven't really bought anything lately. So, yeah, this is what this is I saw this on eBay, and it's another Arc 5 a receiver, and of course I have a couple of them already. This one was supposed to have been made in 1944, and the paint is chipping off of it. Not a big deal because I have black crinkle finish paint I can use on it, and it's supposed to be all complete, and according to the photos and everything I saw, it pretty much is. So we will see when I open it. But yeah, around here we've had snow like crazy here, and cold. Been lucky if it gets past 30 most of the time. And but yeah, this is basically another typical winter for us. But let's see what we got here. What do you think, Chubbs? You want to stay here and watch, or what? I don't know. What do you think? Want to get down? Get down. Oh, there you go. Notice the box it was sent in. Tennessee's best tomatoes. That's right. Oh my God. Well, anyway, kind of packed this kind of weird, but it's a strong box. And from what I see, it looks like he's got foam inside it too. Now let's see what we got. Wow. Keeping all four sides. Okay. All right. Got that. Let's go. That out. The foam on the top. Now. The top is popping off. That's probably normal. Okay, hold on. Get back here. Get back there. Get this out of the way. And then you can see what I mean about the paint chipping off. Not too bad there, but it's chipped off everywhere else. So, yeah, this is basically would be about, this would work on like 80 meters or something like that for the hand bands, because it goes from 3 to 6 megacycles. And yeah, it's a little bit stiff. It's normal, but let's get it off. We'll see if it's got the tubes inside. Let's see. All right, there we go. Well, definitely all the tubes are inside of it. He said it was all complete, and from looking at it, yeah, it is complete, totally. Does have a small little dent here where it's in, but it has a blue tag on it. See if I can read it, see what it says. Serial number 8254, and it says R26/ARC-5. 28 volts DC is what it says. So normally you would run this off of a 28 volt DC dynamotor. And yeah, so kind of surprised. Of course, if you wanted to take a look at the bottom, he already did have a photo of the bottom. After you take the bottom off, you can tell it's all the wiring and stuff inside. But yeah, well, there you go. There's another one for the collection. And that's going to be it for now, while I do some more stuff with it. Oh, that is interesting. That's one thing I didn't see either. They put another dial on the inside of the plate. That never happens. Okay, well anyway. There you go. That's all I have for today.